That's your turn, Tanya.
Andrew, throw it here. Throw it. Throw it. Whoa. Throw it to me right here. See my hand? Throw it to my hand. Andrew. Andrew. Throw me the ball. Throw it right here.
Whoa! Hey, I don't know. Tanya won down.
There you go.
Yeah, that's a good one.
One more time, real hard.
Come on, Bubby. Keep your body slanted. Oh, you gonna get up? 5, 6. Hey, get a good run. Get back here. Get back here. Okay, run, go, get him.